Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, electric circuits and electron devices, basics of electronic sciences, physics and engineering by Soumya Vasuki.
Hi, now let's see the topic is Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is categorized in two A's. The one is Kirchhoff's current law, the another one is Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's current law. The Kirchhoff current law, which means the algebraic sum of currents in a node of network, is called Kirchhoff's current law. The sum of currents entering in a node of network is equal to the sum of currents leaving the node. Consider the following network. So A is considered as a node. This node has I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. The sum of currents entering the node I1, I5, I6 is equal to sum of currents leaving the node I2, I3, I4. So I1 minus I2 minus I3 minus I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. I1 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to I2 plus I3 plus I4. The another one is Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL. In a closed loop, the algebraic sum of potential drop is equal to algebraic sum of potential rises. Is called as Kirchhoff's voltage law. Potential drop is equal to potential rises. Potential drop to potential rises. Consider the following network. Voltage across the resistance R1 is following as V1 is equal to IR1. Potential drop positive to negative. Voltage across the R2 is considered as V2 is equal to IR2. Potential drop positive to negative. Voltage across the resistance R3 is considered as V3 is equal to IR3. Potential drop positive to negative. So voltage source V is equal to IR. Potential rise negative to positive. Negative to positive. So consider as following equations in Kirchhoff's voltage law. V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. V1 plus V2 plus V3 minus V is equal to 0. Then applying the equations, V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. So V1 plus V2 plus V3 minus V is equal to 0. IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 minus V is equal to 0. So IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 is equal to V. So V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Then IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 is a potential drop. The V is potential rises. For circuit analysis, potential drop and rises are used vice versa. For potential drop, like as passive elements such as resistance, capacitance, inductance is said to be potential drop. Potential drop, which means positive to negative. For voltage at voltage source and current source is said to be potential rise, negative to positive. Like as active network are considered as potential rises and passive network is considered as potential drop. If you never miss a video, subscribe my YouTube channel Soumya Vasuki and see one another video. Signing off, Soumya, and bye. Thanks for watching and never forget to press the notification bell.
If it is useful, like this video, which is useful for whom, share to them.